Let me ask you something simple. What if AI could see your thought? Not in science fiction, telepathic way, but by decoding the hidden pattern inside your brain signal, eye movement, typing rhythm, or even the way you breath. This isn't future. This is happening right now. Today we explore a question that makes people uncomfortable. Can AI read your mind? So, and more importantly, should it? So every thought you have ever had produce a pattern, electrical, emotional, behavior, everything. So your brain is constantly broadcasting signal. So your body constantly reveal micro movement. Your eyes constantly shift based on memory, emotion, and desire. Interpretability researcher found a way to map those silent signals into meaning. This isn't magic, it's more math. So I'm gonna show you how. So most AI systems today are black box. They give answer, but they ain't explain their reasoning. Interpretable neural network are different. They reveal the step. They show the internal logic. They let humans see why the model predicts something. And when these networks are connected to the brain related data, something remarkable happened. AI start reconstructing image people are looking at. And AI start predicting decision before the person moves. AI start identifying emotion before the face shows them. This raises a simple but terrifying question I'm gonna ask you right now. If AI can explain how interpretable your brain signals, is that the same as reading your mind? So let me show you what researchers have discovered. So people looking at an image of animal, trees, building. Researchers fed their fMRI signal to interpretable AI model. So the AI didn't just guess the object, it reconstructed the image with surprising accuracy. So almost like watching the mind part is memory. So before a person pressed a button, their brain sent a tiny signal millisecond earlier, right? So and interpretable AI model learned to decode that intention before the physical action occurred. It now the choice before the person consciously made it. Using a facial micro movement and heart rate variation, AI could classify emotion with 90% accuracy, even when people were actively trying to hide them. It's gonna show it. So there are early signs of deeper reality. So your mind is not silent, your body ain't private. So AI can interpret signal you don't even know you are giving. So the question is, should we be afraid? So there's a difference between reading your mind and decoding pattern your mind produce. So AI isn't pulling thought out of your skull like a psychic. It ain't gonna do that, but it's mapping your brain activity to emotions, image, intention, and decision making That's powerful and dangerous at the same time. So what happens when algorithm can decode desire? What happens when AI knows what you think before you speak? What happens when your private emotions are no longer private? What you gonna do now? So we need to ask an ethical question here. So if you choose to share your brain signal, that's medical progress. If someone captured them without your consent, that's mind surveillance, right? That can happen in the future. So interpretable neural networks make everything more transparent. But transparency cut both ways. It exposes how AI think, right? And also how you think. Neuralink, Meta, OpenAI, Google Brain. Everyone is racing to build models that translate your inner world into a data. Soon typing may become obsolete. You don't need to type anymore. You can just speak. There's a many AI tool right now popping on your ad, like Whisper, Flow, and many out there. Speaking may become optional, and thinking may become input. So the rise of interpretable neural network will decide whether this future is empowering or terrifying. So let me precise what I said. AI cannot read private thought. It cannot decode memory or secret. It cannot understand abstract philosophy inside your head. But AI can reconstruct what you're gonna see. AI can predict choice before you make them. AI can sense emotion you don't need to express. Mind reading, not exactly. Mind mapping, yeah, absolutely, I could say. So the rise of interpretable neural network is not about your control. It's about understanding the brain, understanding ourselves, understanding intelligence, both bio and RT, and it's like all powerful tool. So dangerous lies not in the tech, but in the hand that wield it. And so the future depends on who became the mind reader. It can happen,